O, ilabas ko na. Ilalabas ko na. Narito ang ebidensya, oh. Ganyan po talaga yung eksena, mga kababayan. Dito sa Kongreso, sa pagtatarget nila kay VP Sara, mga kababayan. At ngayon, mayroon na po sila bagong ebidensya, mga kababayan, na nagdidiin daw sa kasong bribery. May bagong aligasyong bribery kay VP Sara Duterte, mga kababayan. At mayroon pa silang mahiwagang mahiwagang envelope, mga kababayan, na nagpapatunay daw na nambabribe daw si VP Inday. Smia. Manoorin po natin, ha?
Last question, ma'am. At least, Mr. Chair, I would know that
Parang si Matubato rin, mga kababayan, napaiyak-iyak, ha? Nagdadrama.
Vice President is watching us because she just had a press conference.
Crayola.
And she said that she's denying giving former DepEd Undersecretary Gloria Mercado 50,000 for 9 months. And the Vice President saying that Mercado was let go because she used DepEd to solicit donation from the private sector amounting to 16 million without her knowledge.
Kurakot yan, mga kababayan. Nung nagpakita ng envelope, sabi ni VP Inday, kaya nasibak. At ito naman ngayon, mga kababayan, ang ginagamit ng Kongreso para gawan ng kaso si VP Sara ng bribery.
And she adds that she will provide the media with paper trail to back up her claim, describing Mercado as a disgruntled former DepEd official.
Disgruntled DepEd official.
Long history and long service to the Republic, 40 long years.
Sabi nila, mga kababayan, 40 long years na parang ang introduction ng mga buhaya, mga kababayan, sa haba ng serbisyo, meaning merong integrity. Mayo, kayo dyan, ilang taon na kayo sa serbisyo?
I think it's fair.
Hindi ibig sabihin, matagal ka na dyan, malinis ka na, ha? Kagaya ninyo, mga kongresista.
Given the opportunity to reply to the Vice President.
I think I don't wanna
Ilalabas ko na. Ito na talaga ang mga drama talaga, mga kababayan, na maungas, no?
stress out.
Ganyan, mga ganyan, mga...
I-turn over ko na yung
Okay, ito na.
the envelopes where the money was.
Malay ba namin kung bumili ka lang ng envelope, binigyan ng pera dyan?
Envelopes.
Kuha po yung...
Sige.
It says home.
Kahit pa isang sakong envelope ang dalhin mo dyan, so what? Malay ba namin kung gumawa ka dyan ng maraming envelope para ipalabas na binribe ka? Binigyan daw siya ng 50,000, mga kababayan.
Kasi ang sakit naman no.
Tapos, sinibak ito ni Sara dahil nangurakot, mga kababayan. Tapos ngayon, nagdala ng envelope na may pera. Hindi pa daw ginastos.
Trabahante tapos
tsura pa lang,
ng Vice President. It's very painful.
Ma'am, ilang taon na po kayo? I hope you don't mind. Gusto ko lang pong malaman kasi...
Parang lukarit, mga kababayan, no?
Sabi po ninyo, 40 years na po kayo in government.
I'm 65, sir, but
So when when you were appointed as USEC, noong 2022 ba? 2022? How old were you at
I
that
was 64.
64.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Sinibak ni Inday.
Sa edad ninyong yan, after pagkatapos nyo pong pag-ingatan yung iyong pangalan for the
As if, no, si Vice President hindi nag-ingat sa kanyang pangalan. Tingnan niyo, mga kababayan, talagang obvious ito Kongreso.
40 years?
Yes, sir.
So, okay, anyway, thank
Sir,
you.
Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Mama, si Paduano, Alex Bungkayo Brigade.
Mr. Chairman, dito po ako.
Ay,
Mr.
Wala
Chair,
kaming paki, Paduano.
continue first.
Congressman, wait, before I recognize Congressman Paduano, ma'am,
I believe
I believe.
with the indulgence of Congressman Asidre, may...
Ito ang gusto talaga ng mga buhaya, mga kababayan.
Mr. Chair, can we allow
Kaya pala ang sabi ni Trillanes, kakasuhan daw ng bribery si Sara. Ito pala, mga kababayan, galing na naman ito sa kampo ni Trillanes.
Yusek Mercado to continue with the response because I was trying to ask her about the
Kung talagang bribery yan, pumunta kayo sa korte.
16 million that the Vice President mentioned.
Please respond with respect to the 16 million. 1660. 16 million.
Yan, nasibak, mga kababayan,
I
dahil
would like to
what is 9 envelopes daw, mga kababayan, tapos laman 50,000 each, so almost 500,000. Tapos sinibak ito ni Sara dahil kitaan ng anomalya, 16 million, mga kababayan, ang sabit.
respond to that because it's a press con. When I was called for by Yusek Sulaika. He said, Yusek Mercado, you have to go because one, you have a teacher in your staff. But I explained to them that the teacher was a contract of services when I joined DepEd. And the teacher has a pending application in Cebu because he's from the Visayas. And while he was working with us, he qualified for the RQA. But then when he received his appointment as a teacher, it was already past the opening of the class. It was almost opening, and the teaching load was already apportioned. So I called the RD. I said, can I still keep him because he was working on the special hardship allowance, which was a program that BP Sara also wanted to improve because there's a new hardship allowance, and we were just able to reduce the
Tandaan mo ha, ang sabi ni Sarah, may paper trail siya.
the hardship threshold from 0.37 to 0.33, and she wanted the basis
Diretsuhin mo na.
for the giving of the hardship allowance, special
Dami pang sinasabi,
hardship
no?
allowance, revisited. So that's why that boy guy was the one working on it.
He
So
was the
I
one?
explained, and I don't feel at all na guilty ako dun sa sinabi niya. The second one is
16 million yan ang sagutin mo.
Sulaika mentioned that I solicited from 2 agencies.
Oh, siya pala ang nagsolicit, mga kababayan.
So I explained
Walang ano ha ni Sarah. Kaya sinibak
her that it was a program which our strand developed. There were 2 consultants from UNICEF who developed the app, and then we asked our external partnership office to look for external partners.
Nahuli, mga kababayan, na nag-solicit ng 16 million na without the knowledge of VP Sara. Tapos, ayan, si Sara ang binaliktad na nag-bribe daw sa kanya 50,000 each envelope na dala-dala niya.
Who will be presenting the program, because we developed the concept. It was DepEd Guru. It's her being able to contact the 980,000 teachers. Parang kahit nasan siya, pwede niyang makausap yung mga teachers. The second one was for us to do an electronic mode of the RQA. Parang there's no human intervention anymore. Everyone uploads the credential, even the computation of the teacher qualification is already on an what you call this?
Tingnan yung mata, mga kababayan.
Hindi, wala na siyang human intervention. So that was the program. It wasn't us who choose who would be the partners who will be invited. It was the external partnership. So we made a presentation to almost all the corporations. And then some of the corporations appreciated that it's a very important program. So some of them committed to buy, kasi what we did is we divided the total fund of 16 million into chewable chunks.
Chewable chunks. Nam nam nam. Kinain. Nahuli. Sinibak. Tapos ngayon, nag-invento ng kaso kay Sara na bribery.
So, if you're interested with this package, ito lang.
Chewable pa? Yung mangunguya daw, mga kababayan, na bakit chewable ang
If you're
term mo?
interested with it, because not everyone naman wanted to pay the 16 million. But there were 2 corporations who were willing to fund, because we wanted to put one in Mindanao, one in Visayas, and one in Luzon. So there were 2 who committed to fund the full package.
Tapos, bakit ginawa niyo yan behind her nose? Ni Sara.
And those were the 2
Ikaw ba ang DepEd Secretary?
corporations that Yusek Sulaika said I solicited. So I explained properly.
Nag-solicit siya, mga kababayan. Bawal yan.
I did not solicit. There's no money involved there. These are
Not yet. Not yet. Dahil nasupalpal ka eh.
equipments. Walang cash po doon.
Alangan, hindi bayaran.
Equipment siya na ito turn over sa DepEd. So I feel very sad that
Very
Until
sad.
now.
Bakit ka nasipa kung walang anomalya? Oh.
The BP has not been appraised, as I explained it to her people, that we did not solicit. In fact,
May aamin ba? May aamin ba mga kababayan?
the two corporations are willing to give an affidavit that I have no solicitation from them of 16 million.
Dahil hawak na ito lahat nila mga kababayan na kongreso ng ano. Pag wala nang takot ang mga ungas ito mga kababayan, nagagawa-gawa ng mga senaryo.
So to reiterate, Mr. Chair, Yusek, first, this was
Pero may papel si Sara, paper trail siya.
sanctioned DepEd project.
It's a DepEd project.
Second,
yes.
you did not do the solicitation yourself.
It
This
was
was
managed by the
Managed by
external
the external
partnership.
partnership
Pero may paper trail si Sara sa iyo.
office. Third, no cash donation
Not yet. Nahuli ka eh.
was ever
So,
made.
equipment.
Equipment was given to the department. So none of this, what allegations that the Vice President's making against you is true.
Yes, sir.
Ang talagang mga buhaya talaga mga kababayan ang gumawa ng konklusyon.
Yes, Mr. Chair. And
Thank-
that makes it very sad because
Ah.
saying it now.
Iyak-iyak
ibig
na.
sabihin,
Narito
her
ang
people did not explain
envelope.
to her.
At least I know she's watching then. She probably be able to get the information.
Umanda
from you.
ka, Mr. Taba.
Thank you, Yusek.
Ano masasabi niyo dito mga kababayan sa bago na namang alam matubato na testigo? Post your comments below.